आप देख रहे हैं विजन एशिया वॉइस कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम आईटी गोल पर। इस कार्यक्रम में आपके साथ हम ये याद करते चलें कि कल मदर्स डे के दिन पूरे विश्व में जूम पर मदर्स डे मनाने का एक नया रिकॉर्ड बना। टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करते हुए माँ के प्रति माँ का प्रेम प्रकट करने के लिए सोशल मीडिया का जमकर उपयोग किया गया। पर एक सचमुच की पहल जो कि ग्राउंड पर भी दिखाई देने वाली है और दिख रही थी, वो थी भारत सरकार का वंदे भारत मिशन। इस क्रम में नेवर्क एयरपोर्ट ईडब्ल्यूआर पर एयर इंडिया की एक फ्लाइट ने बहुत सारे भारतवासियों को जिनको भारत पहुंचना आवश्यक था, उनको ले जाने की दिशा में जो इवैक्यूएशन कार्यक्रम किया, उसकी झलक आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए हम जा पहुंचे नेवर्क एयरपोर्ट।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अशोक व्यास। ईडब्ल्यूआर एयरपोर्ट से एक एयर इंडिया की फ़्लाइट बहुत समय के बाद भारत जा रही है। वंदे भारत मिशन में भारत से बाहर उन्हें फंसे हुए कह दीजिए, अटके हुए भारतवासियों को भारत भूमि तक लौटने के लिए एक विशेष व्यवस्था भारत सरकार की तरफ से वंदे भारत मिशन के अंतर्गत जो की गई है, उसका लाभ लेने वाले जो पैसेंजर्स हैं, उनमें से कुछ से हमने बातचीत की।
I'm very surprised and very happy to know that within 12 hours they have, means yesterday I got a call that you have been selected for this, and constantly Indian consulate, they are constantly contacting us, and I remember 8 to 9 calls they did us, and yesterday midnight 12 o'clock my final call was that your ticket is confirmed and you are going to airlift, and tomorrow your flight is on tomorrow midnight, so you have to be there. And I was so surprised that really our Modi government is doing like anything. We are very happy to know that it's wonderful, it's wonderful. I really appreciate this thing that we are going back to our home.
CG Sahab, this is a great sort of initiative on the part of Government of India, this Vande Bharat mission. Talk to me a little bit about the logistics, which cities were selected, and overall approach.
देखिए, overall approach was decided between Ministry of External Affairs and our embassy in Washington, and we went through an exercise of knowing who are the people, where are they stranded, what are the geographical locations, what category of people have been stranded. So this went on for some time. We took advantage of the lockdown to make this data available to the policy planners, and then on that basis the destinations were decided and the originating stations were also decided on that basis. So basically 4 cities were selected: San Francisco, Washington, Chicago and New York, also on the basis of Air India operations, because these flights are chartered from Air India, or Air India is running them. And similarly, destination was decided on the basis of our survey that we did. We had the data, we came to know where are the most people here stranded. On that basis it was done, people. So we had a fair idea. देखिए, जैसे ही लॉकडाउन हुआ और फ्लाइटें बंद हो गई, लोग हमारे पास आने लगे, तो और हम लोगों का संपर्क भी है कम्युनिटी के साथ, तो वी हैड अ फेयर आइडिया कि किस तरह के लोग फंस गए थे। और हम लोगों ने जब ये पोर्टल एम्बेसी ने खोला जिसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन का, उसमें डेटा जनरेट हुआ कैसे क्या क्या कैटेगरी के लोग थे। एक्चुअली कंपेलिंग रीजंस से ही जाना चाहिए, इन द सेंस कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल रिस्की है इस वक्त, तो लोगों की जो कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे थे, उनको जाना ही था, अनिवार्य था जाना, वही जा रहे हैं। तो वो डेटा है लोगों का, स्टूडेंट्स का है, आपके बीमार लोगों का है, पेशेंट्स का है, जिनका वीज़ा ख़त्म हो गया, जिनकी नौकरी ख़त्म हो गई, उनको तो जाना ही जाना है यहाँ पे। वो लोग मतलब उनके लिए अब यहाँ पे रहना मुश्किल हो रहा है।
Very simple. It was basically, there was a link from Washington embassy that came out, and we had to just apply and wait for the embassy to kind of give us a call and see if the embassy can prepare the logistics for us to come and fly from the EWR airport. And luckily I did get the chance to fly from this airport, and it couldn't have been a better Mother's Day gift as such.
नहीं कि यहाँ स्टे करने का, जाने का इट्स अ गुड अरेंजमेंट, और वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा। तो जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट है उन्होंने ऐसा ही मैनेज किया, जो यहाँ पर हम जैसे रह गए उन लोगों के लिए। We are thankful to Indian government.
So Aditya, we just talked to you. You were in the process of going to. Now I see the ticket in your hand. Talk to me. How was it? Like, there were some medical tests for you also here.
So definitely there was like a small screening test that happened, in which the temperatures were taken. We had to submit forms regarding the undertaking. So it was a really nice experience, and I really want to take this time out to thank the Indian consulate and the New York consulate and all the embassies of the Indian embassies, because I understand this is a huge operation.
Oh, it was amazing. Even today, I didn't get my flight tickets till morning. I am coming from Boston to Newark, and that's like a 5-hour drive. And I didn't get my tickets in the till the morning, and I just called embassy up, and I remember I called like 10 times, and they answered every damn time, and they helped so nicely. I'm so shocked to see the response that I'm getting from the embassy, Indian embassy, and they're helping at each and every step. They're right there.
How do you feel overall the approach, the sensitivity and the accountability with which government officials interacted?
Honestly, I feel really surprised, but at the same time, I feel really proud because I wasn't really expecting this much. It's been like, I just feel that they have taken care of everything really well.
Because for us to be staying as illegal is very difficult here, correct? So this is a very great initiative by the government of India, thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has arranged this kind of arrangement to get back to India. Definitely in this kind of situation, no one can imagine like how we can go back to India, and this has been like shown by government of India. Yes, they can do, and they are getting done to get all the citizens like who are willing to go to India back during this pandemic situation. So yeah, it's a great step.
I'm standing here at EWR, and all the passengers, they have some degree of excitement on their face, a little bit of nervous energy also.
Was a bit worried, kind of like I did not get the link for the payment of the ticket, and I had to call many guys, and I didn't call Air India team, and then they provided me one of the numbers of the team, and at the last moment I paid them through the cash, and their payment system is such that they accept only Visa card, and unfortunately I have only MasterCard, so I had to withdraw cash and then I had to pay them. So that's created a little bit of excitement. Actually I called up New York embassy, and when I called them, they informed me that they are working on it, and only the needy guys like the old passengers and the visitors, they are supposed to take the advantage of this facility. So I was saying that I have my bedridden mother and a 3-year-old kid waiting for me in Mumbai, and I need to take care of them, and I have very little money, and my visa is also about to expire. So they were kind enough to add my name for the passengers list. That was very nice.
व्यवस्था एक्चुअली टिकट इंश्योर करने के लिए सबसे बड़ी सहायता मुझे वाशिंगटन डीसी इंडियन एम्बेसी है उन्होंने की, न्यूयॉर्क एम्बेसी, दोनों का बहुत अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन रहा. उन्होंने हमें मेल किया टाइम टू टाइम, हमको अपडेट दिए, और उनकी वजह से मेरा टिकट एक्चुअली बुकिंग हुआ. मेरा वीज़ा अबाउट टू एक्सपायर था, तो मेरा जो भी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम था, जाना था, मेरा वर्क रिलेटेड जो भी यहाँ पे बिजनेस मीटिंग थी, कोविड-19 की वजह से वो ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुके थे. तो यहाँ पे डेढ़ महीने से मैं हूँ, और पूरा वो एक्सपेंस वगैरह बहुत हो रहा था, तो बहुत तकलीफ़ी हुई, लेकिन फिर भी एट द एंड हैप्पी एंडिंग कह सकते हैं इसे.
वंदे भारत मिशन, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, ये भाव जागता है उन सभी नागरिकों के अनुभव को सुनते हुए जो भारत माता की तरफ से भारत सरकार की संवेदना को लेकर अपने भीतर एक विशेष उत्साह, आशा और आनंद संचरित होते हुए तो महसूस करते ही हैं, बल्कि उनके अंदर कटिबद्धता भी है कि आने वाले समय में सुनहरे भारत के निर्माण में वो अपनी तरफ से एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल के नाते या एक हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल के नाते क्या योगदान दे सकते हैं, उस दिशा में भी वंदे भारत मिशन का हिस्सा बनना उनके लिए प्रेरणादायी रहा है.